In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert recipient first name and Activecampaign message subject. Personalizing your subject line is a simple way to make your emails feel more relevant to each contact. When Activecampaign recognizes a recipient, it can automatically replace a personalization tag with that person's first name. This helps your message stand out in a crowded inbox and keeps your communication feeling more direct and human. To begin, open the email you want to edit. This can be an email inside a campaign or an email step inside an automation. Once you are in the email editor, look near the top for the subject line field. This is the line your contacts will see in their inbox, so it is a great place to add personalization. Click directly into the subject line field to place your cursor where you want the first name to appear. You can put it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, depending on how your subject reads best. Keep the subject clear and natural, and avoid adding too much extra text around the name. Next, look at the end of the subject line field for the personalization option. In Activecampaign, you will typically see a personalized icon that looks like a small silhouette, or sometimes a % icon. Click that icon to open the list of available contact properties you can insert. From the list, select First Name. As soon as you choose it, Activecampaign will insert a personalization tag into your subject line. Depending on the editor view you are using, you may see it appear as @first_name or as %first name %. Both are simply placeholders that tell Activecampaign where to insert the recipient's first name when the email is sent. Take a moment to confirm that the tag is visible in the subject line exactly where you want it. Make sure there are proper spaces or punctuation around it, so the subject reads smoothly when the name is inserted. When you are satisfied with how it looks, click Save. Your subject line is now set up to automatically include each recipient's first name at send time. And that is all there is to it.